You are going to love the 2021 Frontier. The Nissan Frontier offers a full-length, fully boxed frame for strength, serious off-road capabilities, and a 5-star rating for side impact crash safety. The Frontier's interior comforts include cab versatility, under-seat storage, and seating for 5. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: 4-wheel drive, stability control, tire pressure monitor, privacy glass, steel wheels, tires front all season, tires rear all season, 4-wheel disc brakes, traction control, variable speed, intermittent wipers. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.